Good morning. It's 7 o'clock in the morning, yeah. And the daylight has just come up. I woke up by 6 and I want to start by 6:30, but both the sunlight and me was late. I'm all done now, but I'm just one small thing remaining: packing. I have to pack everything up. I just have one bag, one backpack, and this is a small bag which goes on the cycle. I'll talk about what I've packed and what I've taken. For breakfast, I had a banana, and they said that the hotel guy said the breakfast should be served at 8 o'clock, so I won't be staying till that long. Yesterday night, I had some nice dal khichdi, filling dal khichdi. So I think I still have the energy left to cycle for 1 or 2 hours. And for backup, I have chocolates, I have to wear all this. I have pretty much a few things, energy bars and everything. So sorted till say 9 o'clock. I'll stop and have a breakfast. So once we're done with the packing, we'll hit the road.
So that's K-line orange over there, and I'm literally shouting because there's a lot of vehicles going by, and that's my mobile with the GPS on. So destination is Karwar. Let's see where we reach. I mean, even Kanyakumari is fine. I don't know if you can see the board, but it's right up there. Karwar 72 kilometers, Kanyakumari 37 kilometers. Since I am not that used to cycling now, I mean, I don't know if I can reach till Karwar, but I surely will try and reach till Kanyakumari. This is the station area of Madgaon. This bridge is a peculiar one. It's actually NS66, so it's still the national highway, but the condition is a little bad and the road is very narrow. So that's the railway station over there. Maybe you can see it in a very small way, and this is the bridge we are continuing to. So that's where we came from, and that's where we are going. So that's the U-shaped bridge which goes over the railway tracks of Madgaon, and it is NS66. For me, the best part in cycling is when I get a slope downwards, which we have one right now. The only problem with a slope is that it gets hard to brake. So if you don't apply little amount of brakes, your cycle will literally go very fast. It can even touch, I mean, this cycle has touched 50 kilometers per hour. So I needed the Google Maps still a while, and that part is over. Now it's a straight road. If you can see, straight Kanyakumari. So there's Paidal and Kanyakumari. So I have to reach at least over here. But my destination is Karwar, right in Karnataka, on the border. So yeah, let's see. The only problem is there's a huge mountain over here. That, yeah, this whole stretch is I think has an accent of 150, elevation of 150, 170 meters. So this is a tough part. I'm going to keep my phone inside. Dehydration is not something which we want. Keep on drinking water. I don't know if you can see, but in the periphery there's a mountain visible, which is the one that we need to cross to reach Kanyakumari. Kanyakumari is just 25 kilometers from here, but the climb will actually take much longer. So I hope to reach Kanyakumari in, let's say, 3 to 4 hours. 4 hours, let's say 4 hours. There's a mountain to be climbed. The slight climbs, the ascents and descents have started. It's 2 hours since I left Madgaon. I left by a little over 7:30 and I've reached, I don't know where, but still halfway to Kanyakumari. 22 kilometers in 2 hours, which is okay. I mean, the vlogging is taking some time. There's a small issue which I'm having, and yeah, it's 9:45 now. After 15 minutes I'll start my ride again. One important thing which you need to remember is that always be hydrated. So better you get a Glucon D and mix it with a bottle, or else you can also get Electral. But Glucon D works fine, so be hydrated, take stops, drink water. The dreaded climbs have started, and I'm cycling at maybe 2 kilometers per hour. After a little while I'm gonna get down from the cycle and walk for sure. This sucks. The climbs. I'm walking for almost 15-20 minutes now. And the climb doesn't seem to stop. I mean, it's not that high. You can cycle, but I don't have any practice right now, so I can't. But if you have a geared cycle, you can definitely climb this. It will be slow, but you can do it. Mine is a single gear one. And that is the slope which I was badly waiting for. Karwar 28, Mangalore 299 and Kochi 716, and we are entering Kanyakumari. So as you know, we have entered Kanyakumari, and now it's 28 kilometers to Karwar, and I'm going to push further. My ass is on fire by the way. And that's Karwar. The City Municipal Council, Karwar, and Rotary Club, Karwar Paschim, welcomes you to Karwar. I'm almost near my hotel. Some 2 odd kilometers remain to reach, and that will be the end of the day.
Finally checked into a hotel in Karwar. Anyways, had a tiring day. I think I pushed it a little bit. I should have stopped at 50 kilometers. But today I rode almost 70. It showed 65, but the actual kilometers was around 68. So it's almost 70 kilometers a day. So let me soon edit this footage which I have taken for today. And once that's done, I have to wash my clothes, because my laptop takes around 4 to 5 hours to render the whole thing. So I have ample of time to wash my clothes, go outside, eat my dinner and everything. And yeah, so this footage will probably be uploaded in 4 to 5 hours. So that's the best I think which will happen. So anyways, you take care. Do like the video, subscribe and share and subscribe, and yeah, let other people know about what's going on, and probably we'll get some more subscribers. So thank you for being with me on this trip. See you tomorrow morning then. Bye.